What's the meaning of convoke? Convoke. Convoke.
Convoke. Convoke. Convoke means to call or summon people to assemble for a specific purpose or event. For example, you might convoke a meeting of colleagues to discuss a project or convoke an emergency gathering of community members to address a crisis. When someone convokes a group, they are acting as the organizer and facilitator of the event, with the goal of achieving a particular outcome. The result of a successful convocation is a well-organized and productive meeting or gathering that meets its intended purpose.